Hi, let's make a speed test of fingerprint sensor on POCO F7. So let's first try tapping of the fingerprint sensor. And as you can see, it tries to recognize, but it's very quick. I can say that. It's very quick and I'm tapping very fast right now. And it can't recognize my fingerprint, but it works very fast. I can say that it's less like uh, half of seconds, I think. Let me show you the normal not tapping. Yeah, it's very quick. So yeah, this is not the speed demon, I can say that, but it works pretty well. So yeah, I think that's all. It's working quick, so I can tell you that, as you can see. That's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.